When it comes to succession planning as a whole, and you look at all of the research that's out there, that there are two massive areas that pop up over and over again in the research, two main areas, in addition to the matrix, and there are two components of the matrix. It's strategic planning and family governance. Those are two major areas in the research, and strategic planning is a critical component. You've got 9 times out of 10 vision conflict between the first generation and the second generation. And that vision conflict needs to be brought into alignment. And it's your job as a succession planner, or as any advisor who has the opportunity to interact in a family business space, to help this business prepare for the ongoing continuation of success. And strategic planning is going to be the first place to start. And if you don't know how to do strategic planning, you really need to jump in and do this certified succession planner course, because we're going to teach you how to do it. We're going to teach you the importance of it. We're going to teach you the components of it, and we're going to teach you how to do it. You may not want to do it. It may not be your thing. But if you know about it and you understand it and you understand the steps and the components, you can help facilitate bringing in an outside resource to do that, and to be the conduit between that strategic planning and the rest of the planning that you're involved in. And so knowing how to do it, knowing when to pull that card, when to pull that arrow out of the quiver, when is strategic planning an important consideration. Many business owners are just, they don't really know where they're going, but they're making a really good time. That's the old joke. They come in and they work hard every day, and they they just do what they do, and they hope at the end of the year they made enough money.